Hey, what's up, friends and fam? Hope you all staying safe. Just got a package from Drums on Sale, picking it up from Canada Post. I'm gonna be doing an unboxing soon, and we'll check out what it is. I'm not saying yet, but I'm so excited. Shout out to Drums on Sale for helping me out. You guys are definitely a great store. I've had some experience with you guys in the past, and nothing but pleased with the service you guys offer, so thank you again. Yeah, I'm gonna drive home and open the box.